Well, the Supreme Court is considering the first of two same-sex marriage cases today. The justices heard arguments challenging and defending the constitutionality of California's Proposition 8. Randall Pinkston is outside the court now, and hundreds of people are gathered to be a part of this historic day.
Gay, straight, black, white, marriage is a civil right.
People on both sides of the same-sex marriage debate rallied outside the Supreme Court.
Marriage is between a man and woman. That's it.
While the 9 justices heard a case challenging California's Proposition 8. The voter-approved measure banned same-sex marriage in that state. 2 couples leading the charge for the right to marry are optimistic the court will overturn the ban.
Sandy and I look forward to a day when we can celebrate our marriage with our 4 children.
The crowds outside the Supreme Court grew today as supporters and opponents of same-sex marriage faced off with chants and signs. Inside, the justices are hearing oral arguments as the latest polls show increasing support for same-sex marriage. A new CBS News poll shows 53% of Americans now think same-sex marriage should be legal, up 11% from last May. Supporters of same-sex marriage outnumber opponents outside the court and argue everyone should be able to marry.
We think that marriage is between 2 people who love each other, and it doesn't matter man or woman.
Defenders of California's ban say the court should not redefine marriage for everyone.
Preserve our country based on a family of a man, woman, and children.
Tomorrow, the justices will hear arguments on the 1996 Defense of Marriage Act. Demonstrators are expected to be back for round 2. Randall Pinkston, CBS News, the Supreme Court.